Okay, so your printer is finished, and the Z tower has gone all the way to the top. Okay, what I suggest is, before you remove the print, is bring the tower down just above the vat and let it drip dry. That way it's not dripping as far, and it also doesn't drip onto the side of the vat. Something like that should be enough. This is already drip dried. What I do next is I get a scraper and I just clean the top off to the edge like this and let it run into the vat. Okay. That way there's less can drip off when you actually remove the build plate. Have plenty of kitchen towel ready and your cleaning tub, and always wear some nitrile gloves. You don't want this stuff on your hands if you can help it. Okay, so we undo the build plate. As you can see, there's hardly anything, there's nothing dripping now. So just ease that off. Hold that over the cleaning tub, like so. So any drips now will drop into the tub, and then we're going to take the prints off, hopefully. Stuck well. There's one. Stuck. It's really stuck well. Two. And that's three. They were stuck really, really well. Okay, no dripping off there, so we can put that back. Like that. So that's back. Then we can just give these a swish around with a glove on. So, a bit more. You could get a syringe and jet wash them a bit with a syringe if you wanted to. But I think that'll be enough. That was pretty clean. Okay, so just dry it off now on some paper towel. And as you can see, there is not really that much mess involved. Stick them outside in the sun and let them cure. Thanks for watching. Bye.